Do you want a more efficient and enjoyable kitchen? Creating a better kitchen involves equipping it with the right tools and gadgets for a better cooking experience and time saving. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a cooking enthusiast, or just someone looking for simpler and easier ways to cook at home, having the right tools can elevate your culinary creations. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey like never before with these 10 kitchen gadgets. At number 10 is the Spiralizer 7-blade vegetable slicer. To 35% stronger than all other spiralizers available in the market. With 420 high-carbon cutlery-grade stainless steel blades and strong ultra-reinforced ABS, can even spiralize harder root vegetables like sweet potatoes and turnips. No more broken spiralizer handles. It has strong suction cups to secure the spiralizer on the kitchen counter. The spiralizer blades are dishwasher-friendly. It also comes with 4 recipe ebooks filled with nutritious and delicious meal ideas. The company also provides customers with lifetime replacements. The product is available on Amazon. At number 9 is the Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. Nostalgia's ice cream maker makes about 4 quarts of ice cream, frozen yogurt, and gelato in 20 minutes. Enjoy soft-serve ice cream, yogurt, and gelato at the convenience of your home with your preferred flavor. Nostalgia's ice cream mixes are a perfect pairing for the ice cream maker. All you have to do is place the ingredients in the aluminum canister and place it in the middle of the bucket, layer it with ice and salt, and turn the motor on. In 20 minutes, the ice cream is ready. At number 8 is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This egg cooker has a capacity of 6 eggs. It can poach, hard boil, scramble, or omelet your eggs. It also comes with an auto shut-off feature. Having an egg cooker is a great way to save water while boiling eggs. This is perfect for busy, hardworking people who don't get enough time to cook. It's also perfect for large families. Have the eggs the way you like them with just the push of a button. At number 7 is the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. OXO has improved more on its iconic Good Grip Salad Spinner since 1998. They made it more complementary to the contemporary kitchens and have an improved inbuilt brake button that immediately stops spinning. The basket in the spinner doubles as a colander, the lid comes off easily for cleaning, and is dishwasher friendly. At number 6 is the Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Pot and Pasta Strainer. The pot strainer is an adjustable silicone clip-on strainer for pots, pans, and bowls. No more searching for the strainer or colander while making pasta. The pasta stays in the pot. Fewer dishes to wash. This is the perfect strainer for all busy pasta enthusiasts worldwide. It can easily clip onto a round pot, pan, or bowl, saving space. It comes with a 1-year warranty and also is FDA approved. At number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Automatic Can Opener. Using a regular manual can opener can be intimidating and result in cramped hands. So now is the right time to switch to an automatic one that can open all standard size and pop-top cans. This can opener avoids sharp lip edges by cutting along the side of the can for smooth touchable lids. It has an easy touch opening lever to open cans with a light touch. No more can lids that can cut you open like a blade. The lids can actually be reused to store leftover canned food in the fridge. It also comes with a convenient scissors for opening bags and boxes. At number 4 is EUROLUX Electric Citrus Juicer Squeezer. ELECTROLUX's citrus squeezer uses a new improved motor gear that yields powerful juice extraction at only 120 watts. It gives you a better juicing experience with less power usage. It only needs a minimal amount of pressure to start the automatic juicing. It also has an integrated filter that will give you seedless, fresh juice. It has a one-size-fits-all juicing cone for most citrus fruits, and the whole process is not noisy. At number 3 is DEZIN electric kettle with a keep warm function. This kettle has a BPA-free window glass and double wall design. The BPA-free structure allows you to measure the perfect amount of water to boil, and the outer layer of glass is always cooler than a normal glass kettle to prevent burning and cracking. It has a bicolor LED with blue color for the heating function and green color for the keep warm function. The keep warm function keeps the water temperature between 122 degrees F, 50 degrees C, to 150 degrees, 70 degrees C, providing the right temperature for tea and coffee. At number 2 is the Hamilton Beach breakfast sandwich maker with an egg cooker. If your favorite food is breakfast, this is the perfect gadget for you. The sandwich maker cooks your breakfast sandwich within 5 minutes. You can customize the sandwich with your choice of meats, bread, and more. It has removable parts which are dishwasher safe. At number 1 is FRESKO vacuum sealer machine. This is a perfect hands-free vacuum sealer for sealing a bag of chopped veggies or chips. It can both add moisture and dry the foods. It is perfect for handling food in bulk. It has an 85 kPa strong suction that removes the air from the bag, then heat seals it to create an airtight seal and locks out moisture, air, and freezer burn. It comes with 10 vacuum sealer bags and a 2-year warranty. So, don your chef's hat and get ready to explore the endless possibilities these kitchen gadgets offer. These top 10 kitchen gadgets can make your kitchen more efficient, organized, and enjoyable. With these tools, your kitchen will become a place of culinary magic. What are your favorite kitchen gadgets of 2023? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.